Hello everyone, welcome to Target45. My name is Jyoti. There are many terms like AI, machine learning, NLP, data science, and deep learning. Are they all the same? And can we call everything AI? How are they different? And what is the relationship between them? We'll explore this in this video, so keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome to Target45. My name is Jyoti. When we drive, we use our eyes to see the road, hands to steer, and feet to control the pedals. We constantly make decisions like when to stop at a red light, turn the wheel to avoid an obstacle, or slow down when there is traffic. We also watch for pedestrians and think quickly to stay safe on the road. There is a self driving car named Target 45. Unlike humans, Target 45 doesn't need hands or eyes to drive. It uses smart sensors to see the road and make decisions. It can stop at red lights, avoid people crossing the street, and take new routes if something blocks the way. Just like a human, Target 45 thinks fast but never gets tired. Every day it drives carefully, making sure its passengers are safe. When computers or machines are made to do things humans usually do, this is called artificial intelligence or AI. This includes thinking, learning, solving problems, seeing things around them, and understanding language. Artificial intelligence can be found in lots of technology like computers that can learn on their own, machine learning, programs that understand human speech like natural language processing, cameras that recognize faces like computer vision, and robots that can move and do jobs without help. We all use Gmail and receive emails every day. Have you ever wondered how some emails automatically go to promotions, primary, or spam folders? Do you know the technology behind it? It's called machine learning. Basically, when we tag emails as spam, the system learns that these type of emails are unwanted. Over time, it recognizes similar patterns and automatically filters those emails into the spam folder. That's how it keeps our inbox organized. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence where machines are given data and use it to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. The main goal of machine learning is to develop algorithms that can automatically detect patterns and make decisions based on data. Imagine I have thousands of images in a folder and I have trained a model using these images to detect my face. Will the model be able to recognize me as Jyoti? Yes, it is possible with deep learning. And this process is known as facial recognition. Deep learning is a specialized subset of machine learning that uses deep neural networks, which consists of many interconnected layers. Here, the term deep reflects the number of layers in the network, which enables the model to learn complex patterns in the data. We human beings recognize faces by identifying key features such as the eyes, nose, and lips. Machines represent these features in numbers. The model processes this numerical data through multiple layers of neurons, each layer transforming the data in a way that helps the network learn to recognize and differentiate between various faces. The process involves using activation functions, loss functions, and optimization techniques like backward propagation to improve the model's accuracy over time. Ultimately, deep learning allows machines to make informed decisions based on the patterns they have learned from the training data. Hey Siri, can you tell me about NLP? When you ask Siri this question, it tries to decode the human language, process it, and respond with an answer. The way Siri understands human language, even though it is a machine, is called natural language processing, simply NLP. Natural language processing is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on how computers and humans interact using natural languages, like how we human beings communicate with each other. In the language human beings communicate, it helps machines understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP applications include machine translation, like translating from one language to another, like for example, English to Hindi or Hindi to English. Sentiment analysis, like where the machine figures out if a statement is positive, negative, or neutral. Text summarization, which is like taking a 200-page document and summarizing it into just 2 pages. And chatbots like Siri. NLP techniques involve analyzing the structure, meaning, and context of the text to make sense of it. There are a few customers who buy milk at a shop every day. The shop owner realized that 900 milk packets are sold daily after analyzing the past 3 years of data. After studying the data, the shop owner concluded that the shop needs to have 900 milk packets each day to avoid overstocking or understocking. This process, where the shop owner makes informed decisions by interpreting and analyzing shop data to benefit the business, is known as data science. Data science is a broad field focused on extracting knowledge and useful insights from data. It combines elements of computer science, statistics, and domain knowledge to analyze large amounts of data to find meaningful patterns. Data scientists are responsible for collecting the data, gathering data from all the sources, cleaning the data, refining the data into a preferred format for analysis, and interpreting data, looking for patterns like if customers who buy milk daily might also buy sugar, to solve problems and make informed decisions to improve the business. Let's summarize what we have understood so far. AI is nothing but mimicking human intelligence in machines. NLP is a specialized area within AI that focuses on language, both written and spoken, to enable human computer interaction. Whereas data science is a broader field that involves analyzing data using AI and ML tools, but also traditional statistical techniques. ML is a subset of AI that allows machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Whereas deep learning is a more advanced form of machine learning focused on neural networks to handle complex tasks like image or speech recognition. Do you know technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data science, and natural language processing use Python? Python has many libraries that support these technologies. If you missed my previous video on why you need to learn Python to future proof your skills, please watch it. Also, please subscribe to the Target45 channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to others and it would be helpful. Thank you.